Do you want the positive news or the negative news first? You can make both negative and positive adjustments to your stock with Mintsoft WMS, and it will sync to Unleashed as a stock adjustment. Let's take a look at a negative adjustment first. Under Warehouse, Book Inventory, select Product, Warehouse, Quantity, then input the quantity. For scrapping, first quarantine and then scrap. Then click Book Stock. And for a positive adjustment, once again go to Warehouse, Book Inventory, and select the product and warehouse. Next, choose the bin location and enter the quantity. Select Action In and click Book Stock. Once either the negative or the positive adjustment is completed in the WMS, it comes through as a completed stock adjustment in Unleashed, and the stock on hand is adjusted too.